What's up, guys? Welcome back. Sanji Egghead, kind of like a Hawaiian shirt sort of thing. Landscape page, pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Let's go. Center point of my page about here. We're going to come up, over to the right a little bit. So like center point, up, over to the right. And we're going to start with his eye. So we can only see one eye for Sanji. So let's go. Top eyelid line, diagonal, and across like that, right? And he's kind of got a bottom eyelid line just here, and then he's kind of looking up. Boom. No pupils, it's just colored in black, so we'll go for that. We'll just do the black, like so. Spirally eyebrow, then just above the top eyelid line. So a spiral, and it's just like one line, so we just go up that way. Now, sometimes people add eyelid lines, and I think I will, just there. Can't see his other eye, can see his nose, just sort of across and down, just here. Just like a little sort of spike, no nostril, but we'll draw it in because we can. His mouth then with the cigarette coming out, so we go just like a smiling, standard sort of smiling mouth. And then the cigarette kind of sticks out here, right? So it goes out there, kind of gets wider as it comes out from his lip. And it's got this sort of jaggedy, lit sort of end down there. Bottom lip line, just there. And then chin, just below, like that. So 3/4 pose, so we can see jaw coming out this side. Goes up there. And the other side of his face goes behind the cigarette. Different line, right? Goes more vertical because it's his cheekbone. It's not his jawbone. Okay. 3/4 pose means his head is kind of turned away, that a quarter of it is missing, basically. So like this side is about half the size of this, because you can only see 3/4 of the whole face. 3/4 pose. So then, curve it around. This little thing on his ear. Now sometimes 3/4 poses can be different, but this one is basically a standard one. Sorry, I just thought of that. Like he can turn his head a little bit more or less. You gotta imagine different sort of sizes of things, but this one's normal. This earphone thing sitting on his ear, and it's got like a couple of circles just in there. Then it's got an antenna that just goes up. If you're like a stickler, you could use a ruler, whereas I don't have a ruler over here. It's all the way over there. We'll just go for this. And antennas can be bumpy anyway, so look, not that bumpy. So up like that. Okay. And then he's got like a big fringe, so like up above the eyebrow just here, about the size of your nose, basically is the size of a standard forehead. Like say like the bottom of his nose to the, say, middle of his spirally brow there. That'll bring you up to where you need to be for that hair spike. Other one then comes right down, like even as far as his nose, I think, curves out. Yeah, it's a real long one down to there. Covers his eye, see? And then this comes back that way. And then more hair spikes coming all down. Keep going. And there's no like magic bullet for hair. You just gotta add spikes bit by bit. I probably say this every time, but it's nice drawing One Piece characters. They're very straightforward. Spike up here. You know, they're not too complicated. They're definitely a good beginner type of anime to draw. That and Dragon Ball. And then this comes behind the antenna to a spike down here. And then a couple more spikes. And it disappears behind his neck, basically, which is just here. And just some texture then on his hair, you know, like just some direction lines just to show it's not like a flat surface, it's got some texture to it, basically. Kind of like that. Then the other side of his neck comes out from his chin here. I'll give him a neck muscle. Maybe another one there. So he's got this big, like it looks like a shirt, but it's got like a hoodie. It's got like a hood as well, I think. So, yeah, does it have a hoodie? I think it does. It's like a shirt hoodie. Weird. Okay. I never even noticed that. So, right, so the shirt area comes down that way. And then comes back around to the hoodie situation back here. Okay, so like that collar goes like around his neck. Oh, what way is that going? Okay, try this way. Sorry, I'm trying to figure. It curves around like so. And then there's like another line inside. There. Okay, so his collarbones are just visible right here. And then this bumpy hoodie thing bumps down behind his shoulder, which is just here. So your collarbones generally go to where your shoulder would be. So like his shoulder would be sort of here maybe. So see the direction of the collarbone brings you to like the ball and socket joint just in your shoulder. So roughly, right? And then we got some more hoodie on this side. There, so his other shoulder will be coming out about maybe a bit lower down, top of the shoulder, and then curve down this way. So we can see sleeve, armpit lines, sleeve, it's a real baggy sort of shirt. And then the shirt collar, so he's got, it's unusual, it's like hoodie slash, so there's like collar here, there's like, then a button there. And then there seems to be like another collar area, I think, like that. And then like flowers and leaves all over, but they're like cartoon drawn flowers, so like very, not like complicated, just like these cartoon flowers that you draw when you were a kid or something. Nothing crazy. And they're all over, so I'll do the flowers first. And like on his hood. One here. So like if you draw the little middle circles first, you'll know then where to put a flower. Right, so each of these circles is like the center of a flower. So another one here, and you just kind of fit them in as best you can. And like if they go over bumps in the fabric, you know, they will be sort of bumpy as well because they're part of the shirt. So yeah, you don't have to be too exact. The kind of mold, your eye will sort of fill in the gaps for you. Brain is a powerful thing. It just goes, oh yeah, Hawaiian shirt. I get it. Here as well. Okay, and then there is leaves, like things like this, little twigs with very basic leaves coming off them. And you just alternate leaves. And maybe one more here. That's it. Sanji, Vinsmoke, Egghead costume. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.